if you're experiencing crashing issues while playing The Sims 4, there are several steps you can take to improve stability and enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Update your game. Make sure that The Sims 4 is updated to the latest version. Open the game launcher and check for any available updates. Keeping the game updated can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 2. Check system requirements. Verify that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for The Sims 4. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading your RAM, graphics card, or processor to enhance performance. Step 3. Disable mods and custom content. If you use mods or custom content, they may be causing the crashes. Temporarily disable them by moving the mods folder to your desktop and launching the game without it. If the game runs smoothly, reintroduce the mods one by one to identify the culprit. Step 4. Repair the game. Use the game launcher to repair The Sims 4. Right-click on the game in your library and select the repair option. This process will fix any corrupted files and may resolve crashing issues. Step 5. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game to reduce the strain on your system. Go to the game options, select graphics, and adjust the settings such as resolution, texture quality, and visual effects to improve stability. By following these steps, you should be able to significantly reduce or eliminate crashing issues in The Sims 4. Enjoy your gaming experience.